I did not do an unboxing because the internet is so full of those, and or YouTube. So I just thought I was going to let Eric know that this made it to me in fine shape. I mean, this thing looks like a brand new neck, and in reality it is. You cannot even see where any of the damage was anymore on it. Should work beautifully. I'll be installing it after I am done. With my Cort effector that I got on my birthday. I'll be starting on cleaning that up soon. This is just beautiful. Thank you, Eric. This is incredible. These are so nice. So very, very nice. Very, very nice. And you really did not need to spend the money to have it sent here so fast. You really could have just sent it normal. But thanks again. Excellent. Wouldn't believe that I only paid $2 for that. And there's the other one on the wall that I got along with it. That one there wasn't nearly as much of a pain to get working. Just needed to do a lot of cleaning to it. Had some house paint all over it. That turned out really nice though. That's a nice little parlor guitar. And this is the one that I started on. It's got a little bit of monkey business on it, but I ain't gonna mess with any of that. Thanks again, Eric. Appreciate it. Much appreciated. Now I gotta send you off a little bit of a care package here soon. Have a good one, and thank you.